Good morning. Today is the last stretch of this sail before I get into my winter harbor. And I have to go under 2 bridges and through 1 lock. And I had only checked that the last lock and bridge were open. I checked the first bridge last night. I don't know why I haven't googled it before, because I know that they had it under renovation and it's been closed on and off. But yeah, it said that I had to pre-book it 5 hours earlier, well, at least 5 hours before I want to go there, and it's very close, meaning that I get to sleep in. I just called and booked it, and since it is so close, I kind of decided that I was gonna go a little later because it's raining right now and it looks really cold outside, and I'm really warm and toasty. And it's supposed to stop raining in the afternoon, so I booked it for 4:30, and apparently someone else has booked it for 3:30, so I can make it to 3:30 if I want to and just cancel my opening. Yeah, and that's the plan for today. I'm gonna stay in bed for a little while, listen to the rain, and cuddle Nano. And then we will slowly prep the boat and cast off, maybe. I think I'm gonna cast off a little bit before 1, because it's like 10 miles away, and if I cast off at 1, then I can average 3 knots and still make it, which feels okay. I hate having a time booked, like if I miss it. Ugh. Anyways, yeah, good morning. That's the plan for today.
Hi, my name is Nova Lohman and I am a solo sailor. For 5 years, I completely renovated my sailboat, a beautiful old vessel from the 1970s. And in the summer of 2021, I set sail without any timeline for returning home. On board with me is my loyal companion, my dog Neno. This is Nano's face when I tell him it's time to get up. Here. Oh, is it me you want to bite? Is it me you want to bite? What? You take a little nibble. Yeah. Everywhere. But at least now we got the sail up. We're headed in the right direction. I'm gonna raise the other sail, get the fenders up and stuff. Yeah. We're doing it. We're going towards our goal, and right now estimated arrival is at 3 o'clock, and I booked the bridge for 4:30. The wind is never in the same place. booked the bridge for 4:30, but someone else had already booked it for 3:30. I can't speak. I haven't been drinking water properly. So if I do make that bridge, then I can just cancel my bridge. It's happening. We're sailing towards Stockholm. Yay! Oh my goodness, getting out of that spot was trickier than I thought it was going to be, and I did think it was going to be a bit tricky. I think I might have a big black mark on the side of my boat because the boat that was on my side had a big black rubber line on it. Otherwise I wouldn't have dared do what I did, but I was like, okay, the boat's not protected, my boat's protected. Worst case, I get a big flat black line. I think I did. We'll see. Anyways, I'm out and I'm sailing. It's all good.
Squeeze on by. Plenty of room. Room for everyone. As we say in Sweden, finns det hjärterum så finns det stjärterum. Reminiscing about the time that I got caught in a riptide in the English Channel. And it was messy, but it all worked out. Whoop. I'm actually having so much fun. It was supposed to be no wind and rain today, so I was prepped for that. But we got a lot of rain this morning, so I think we just kind of emptied out everything at once. And we got plenty of wind. I'm kind of pending between 4 knots and 6 knots because it's really gusty. But I'm just making my way through the islands. It seems like my plan for the day worked out great route-wise, because I routed according to the wind prognosis. And the wind is actually a little bit kinder than I thought it was going to be angle-wise. So I'm just cruising on towards Stockholm. We're really close. I actually decided to tear down the head sail because the wind is crazy gusty and I was getting really overpowered, and I was doing like 7 knots, which there's absolutely no call for because I haven't been able to say knots all day. Knots, 7 knots. Yeah, there's no call for that because then I was gonna arrive like 2 hours before the book time. So I think if I just keep a chill pace, I will have a much calmer day. The sail I had up is really shit quality because it has seen a lot of shit and I didn't want to tear it. So I decided to just tear it down instead. Okay, I think tearing down the head sail so far was a good idea. Right now I'm maintaining, is it too windy? Crawl over here. Right now I'm maintaining perfect speed to get to the 3:30 opening, and it's really comfortable on board. It's gusting right now and we're maintaining course, which is great. And I'm gonna get something to eat. Nano under here on his snuggly spot. Yes, sorry.
Sorry, am I disturbing you? Sorry.
Say something.
I'm here. I made it until the 3:30 bridge. There's like a million ferries around me right now, but I'm waiting outside the harbor. Wait, where is it? I don't know if you can see it, but the bridge is in there somewhere. And the other boat that's going through, they have docked on the waiting station, but you will not catch me dead in there, because like it's awful. I was there once. I almost lost the solar panel, and I did lose. Oh, sorry, it's just boats moving about. I did lose a navigational light because it's just a mess in there. So I'll be staying out here until the bridge is ready for us. Okay, I'm through the bridge. It's closing behind me. And now I've got a bridge lock combination. And to be honest, I'm actually kind of nervous about it. I'm not a huge fan of going through locks alone, as it is. And this one has, there are no pollets to put your own lines on, and there are lines hanging in the lock, and they're not like super long, so you can't really do anything with them except hold on to them, which kind of means that you don't really get any leverage. Like normally when I'm going through a lock alone, I will put one line, a long one, from the front and just take it to the back, and then I will add that to a pollard in the middle of the boat, and then just add the line. I'm doing a lot of motions here that you can't see. I'll add that to a winch, and then I will kind of weigh the boat very easily. But this one, it's all raw manpower, and this boat is 7 tons, and sometimes this is usually a pretty chill lock, but sometimes, I don't know, we'll see. I'm kind of nervous, but we'll see. Made a friend along the way. Look at the city! It's all orange and red and stunning, and I still have a friend. Their motor is overheating when they run it, so they could go through the lock alone, and then I pick them up again. I can't tow them all the way to where they're going, but I can tow them to where I'm going, which is a little bit anyways. I just released my tow, and I'm going into my harbor. I popped the middle fenders up because if I'm going into a tight spot, which I think I am, they're usually more in the way than they help. So I popped them up, and hopefully the other two will do the job. And yeah, exciting! I'm back!
mooring went super smooth. And the bridge opened in time for the other boat to go through. I hope they get to wherever they were going. I don't know where they were going. Yeah, time to get the boat ready for winter, I guess. There might still be some trips here in the lake, but I don't know. I've got a bunch of stuff planned for the next coming weeks, so I doubt it. Probably just get their boat ready for winter. Yeah. Thank you so much for watching this week's episode. Have no fear, I will not stop posting just because I'm in my winter harbor. There will be me just like prepping the boat for the winter, showing you guys what I do and how I think about things, and I guess just like living on the boat in the winter, what's that like, and yeah, probably a bunch of other things, so stay tuned.